Hey y'all, so we're doing a quick unboxing of these boots I purchased for $84, which I am so shocked about the price, and we'll talk more about that in a minute. Let's just say they exceeded my expectations very much. So these are the Steve Madden West boots. I ordered the size 9 and the color is black and white. These also come in white, silver, metallic pink, or you can check out the website for more colors. And I just began taking them out of the box. And I noticed they were unwrapped. There was no stuffing and there was a scuff on the bottom. So I was about to have a fit because I was thinking maybe I had purchased these and it was actually a return that somebody had worn. And of course, these were on final sale on the Steve Madden website. So I would be stuck with them if they were like very much worn. But you can see that they weren't. The heels are not worn down. I think that these probably were just tried on by someone in the store. And as I got to the second shoe, which did have all of the stuffing and wrapping on it, I was kind of wishing that it was the same situation because it was really hard to remove all of the stuff that was inside of the shoe. But my initial impressions, these are so nice, really high quality. And as I was looking inside trying to get the stuffing out, I noticed that it said these were made in Brazil, which I have recently bought another pair of Steve Madden boots and they were made in China. And we'll get into that, like I said, in a couple minutes. Just some of the very striking differences between the Steve Madden made in China and the Steve Madden made in Brazil. And on the Steve Madden website, it only says the shoes are imported. It doesn't say the origin country, so it's impossible to tell where the shoes are actually made until you order. If you're new to my channel, I don't do any special outfits. It's pretty much all about the shoes here. So here we go. I am normally an 8.5 in Steve Madden, most Steve Madden shoes. Reviews said to size up, and I am so glad I did. These boots slipped on very easily. I did notice that they are slightly narrow. There's a pointier toe to these boots, and I'm really glad that I listened to the reviews and sized up on these. I would highly recommend sizing up, especially if you're between sizes or you have a slightly wider foot like I do. The construction on these shoes is bomb, y'all. And I also could smell the leather. I think my cat was really into that too, but not just the smell of leather, but this is like a very high quality leather. I was so surprised to be able to get these for $84. I was surprised that Steve Madden would even sell them for this price, or that the other pair of boots I recently purchased from them of lesser quality, I actually paid more. And I was kind of reluctant to buy the West boots because I had an expectation that they would be like the other boots that I just bought. So the other pair of Steve Madden Western boots I'm referring to is the Lovestruck boots. Again, if you're new to my channel, I did do a review on those about a month ago, maybe 2 months ago. You can check that out if you are interested in those. And a quick comparison of the two boots. So even though the West boot is a half size bigger than the Lovestruck, they are definitely just more substantial. They're heavier in a really good way that implies quality. The West to me is just a luxurious cowboy boot versus the Lovestruck that is a novelty shoe. While the Lovestruck boot is made in China, the West boot, I'm going to say, is crafted in Brazil because there's just that leaps and bounds difference in the quality of the two shoes. Both of them are big calf friendly. The West sits a little higher on the calf. Definitely the West, without question, is a better value. And I'm trying to think, is there anything else? Oh, also the back of the shoes. So the West boot, you'll see it's more structured here in the back, and that's another reason I would recommend sizing up. So it gives you a really great, high quality, luxurious feeling fit, more so than the Lovestruck boot, but it's also a little tighter on the entire foot due to that. All right, I hope this helps someone. See you guys next time. Bye.